Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the last Texas truck accident lawyer. Let's start the video. Commercial trucks are disproportionately larger and heavier than standard passenger vehicles. This means that a collision involved an 18-wheeler can result in even more severe injuries and long-term consequences than a crash involving two cars. The Lone Star is particularly dangerous for drivers with 5,222 Texas vehicles involved in fatal truck accidents during one recent year alone, accounting for more than 13% of the national total. You can also read this. All about the last Texas truck accident lawyer. Next, demanding full compensation after your truck accident injuries. One reason many Dallas truck accident claims tend to be more complicated is that collision involving large trucks, semis, and truck trailer can cause significantly more severe injuries and property damage. As such, the average large truck accident insurance claim is particularly expensive. This means insurance adjusters will do everything in their power to deny a claim and minimize the value of cases. You can also read this. Current and future medical bills related to your injuries. This all is involved in this law. Past and future physical impairment, cost of rehabilitation, prescriptions, medical equipment, and in-home services. Other treatment-related expenses such as transportation to appointments. All about this. Next, you help you understand all aspects of your case. All are easy points. You can easily read this. Multiple parties are involved. For more, like and share my videos. God bless you.